In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stripe API and set up a webhook, step by step. Our goal is to help you get this done efficiently, so you can implement powerful payment solutions seamlessly into your applications. First, let's open up your browser and go to stripe.com. Once you're there, you'll need to click on the Sign In button. Now promptly enter your email and password for your Stripe account. After you've entered your credentials, click on Sign In once more to access your dashboard. This is where all the action begins. Once you've successfully signed in, navigate over to the Home tab of your Stripe account dashboard. From there, head to the Developers page. This section is the tech hub of your Stripe account, where you'll find all the tools you need to integrate Stripe's API into your systems. Now look for the API keys option and click on it. This is where you'll find crucial details. If you need your API keys, you can copy them directly from this page. These keys are essential for authenticating API requests and ensuring secure transactions. For those of you who need a webhook, the next few steps are critical. Webhooks allow you to receive real-time updates as they happen in your Stripe account. Again, if you're not already there, navigate back to the Developers section of your dashboard. Once inside the Developer section, you're going to click on Webhooks. From the Webhooks page, click on Add Endpoint. An endpoint URL is where Stripe will send webhooks to notify you about events in your account. Next, select the specific events you would like to receive notifications for. You can choose events like checkout session completed or invoice payment succeeded, depending on your requirements. When you've selected the events, hit Continue. Now you will need to specify the webhook endpoint URL where the event notifications will be sent. Make sure this URL is capable of receiving requests from Stripe and can process them as needed. You can also add a description for your webhook setup, which can help keep things organized, especially if you plan on setting up multiple webhooks. Once you're satisfied with all the details, click Create Destination. This will finalize adding your webhook to your Stripe account configuration. And just like that, you can now begin receiving vital notifications directly in your application whenever the specified events occur.